Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you send a time text on iPhone. So guys, to do this, at first just open your shortcuts. Now after that, in the bottom here you can see automation. Click on it. Click on new automation. Now select time of the day. Select the time, just like 5:10, and you can select daily, weekly or monthly. You can also select these two options, run after confirmation or run immediately. Now after that, click the top right next. Now click on send message, this option. Now in the message option, click on it and just type the message. And click on recipients and select the recipient's number or email. Click the top right done. Now click the top right done. Now if you click on it, you will see this here. You can change the options if you want. You can select run immediately, run after confirmation or don't run, and click the top right done. And by this you can just send a time text on iPhone. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.